Creating a YouTube channel is very easy. But do you know there are two types of channel which YouTube offers with different features? In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can create a YouTube channel with the right type. Hi, welcome to my channel Sihara Tech. If you do like this video, don't forget to hit the like button at the end. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you can get notified for every video I'll be sharing in future. In order to create a channel on YouTube, you need to have a Gmail account so you can associate it with YouTube first. Go to youtube.com homepage. From the right top corner, click on Sign In button. This is where you need to provide your Gmail ID credentials. If you already have a Gmail account, then log in from this screen. Otherwise, you can create a new Gmail account from here as well. Click on Create Account link and you'll be asked to select an account type. There are two options in this menu. For myself, meaning the account will be of personal type, which only you can manage, or the person who has the username and password can manage it as well. And also you will be restricted to your own name as your channel name, which will be your first and last name, unless you change it otherwise. The second option is for brand account or brand name, which will gives you more flexibility to name your channel other than your account name. And also you can invite other people by allowing their Google accounts if you want them to manage your channel for you. Let me select for myself option for now. Google is asking about first and last name, which will be shown as your channel name. Existing email address if you have any, which will be linked to your personal channel as well, along with the password information. Let me click on Create a new Gmail address instead, so I can show you how you can create a Gmail account and then we'll proceed from there. You can see now the email text field is changed on the same page. Now fill out the information and click Next. Phone number and recovery email address are optional, so we're going to skip those. You have to provide your date of birth, select your gender information, and click Next. Now Google is showing the privacy and terms and condition. Please go through it if you want and then click I agree. Your account has been created successfully and you are logged in with this new account as well. You can see it by clicking from the profile picture from the top right corner and your account will be shown here. Now let's create a channel first. Click on Create a Channel from this menu and then click on Get Started from this pop-up dialog. You will be asked here whether you want to create a personal channel by using your own name or you want to create a brand channel by using a custom name. Let's create a personal channel by selecting the first option, and I'll show you later how you can create a brand channel as well. As you can see, your personal channel with your name is created successfully. You can upload a profile picture from here as well by clicking on Upload Picture. You can add your channel description here, which will be shown on your channel about page. It is really important to describe your channel as per the content you will share, so it is more relevant and people can understand what your channel is all about. You can also add links to your site on your channel as well, like you can link your website, Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram account. You can set everything now or you can set it up later as well. Let me show you how with other settings as well. Click on Customize Channel and first click on Basic Info. From here you can change your channel name as well, but your first and last name will also be changed. You can add or change your channel description as well. You can copy your channel URL from here if you want to share or embed it anywhere. You can link your website and all other social media networks which we saw previously by clicking on Add Link. You can also add your email address to let people know how they can contact you with their business inquiries. You also have to set your channel art and icon for branding as well, which is very important for your channel representation. Click on Branding. From here you can set your channel banner image, which you must do. And also you can add video watermark image as well for every video if you want. These are some of your channel settings you can do from here. YouTube does offer various features which you must unlock as well. Click on your profile picture again and click on Settings. From this page, click on Channel Status and Features. As you can see, there are default features which are enabled as well. But there are features which require phone verification first before those are unlocked as well. Features like you can upload video longer than 15 minutes. You can have custom thumbnails. You can use YouTube live streaming as well. Okay, let's click on Verify Phone Number. You can either receive a call for the verification code or you can receive it via SMS as well. Let me click on the SMS option. Here you need to provide your telephone number and Google will send you a verification code via SMS. Once you are done, click on Submit. On this screen, enter the 6-digit verification code you received via the SMS and click on Submit. As you can see, my YouTube account is verified. Let's jump back to the previous screen and status will be automatically refreshed. You can verify it as well. Click Close and you are all done. You can upload and share the videos with the world. Now, how can you create a brand channel? Let me first go to my channel setting page by clicking on channel icon from the left and from the profile picture menu, select Settings. From this page, select Create a new channel. And you will be asked to provide a channel name which will be created as a brand channel. Now let me name my brand channel as Adil Ilyas Brand Channel and click Create. That's it, your brand channel is created. I hope you like my video. Please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you can get notified for every video I'll be sharing in future. Thanks for watching. See you next time.